He's a tough guy. He's no hambrico.
He's been following me around as I eat all day.
They're looking for food. Leave him, leave him. Doesn't run. Really? Okay. Ah, you see? Chase them away. Too much.
Yeah, chase them off.
Yeah.